Hey guys, what's up? So Samsung isn't really having a very good year in terms of smartphone sales, with the Galaxy S20 sales disappointing to the extent that in South Korea, the first day sales have been merely 50% compared to the Galaxy S10 last year. Now all this isn't because of the phones being bad. In fact, the Galaxy S20 series is one of the best phones of the year and Samsung has worked hard on the camera. The problem is that people aren't buying these gadgets, especially since these are some of the most expensive phones out there, and that has to do with what's going on in the world right now. But that hasn't stopped Samsung from launching the Galaxy Note 20 on schedule, or at least planning to. We are hearing that the Galaxy Note 20 won't be delayed and will launch in August alongside the Galaxy Fold 2. Whether online or via an offline event is something which is still unknown, but Samsung is prepared for the worst case scenario. Now, according to the Galaxy Club, the base version of the Galaxy Note 20 will have a 4000 mAh battery, just like the Galaxy S20, and an upgrade over the 3500 mAh battery on the Galaxy Note 10. Now, this is kind of expected. The Galaxy Note 20 is turning out to be the S20 with the stylus, with the same camera setup, same screen sizes, and the same battery capacity. Now, there is some difference though in terms that the Note 20 would use the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus instead of the 865 present in the Galaxy S20 series. Whether the Exynos variants will also see an upgrade is still unknown. This was confirmed by Max Weinbach. We also know that Samsung will use the latest UFS 3.1 storage on this phone, and they will lower the base storage capacity to 128GB from 256GB. Users will get expandable storage support though, unlike the Galaxy Note 10. A case mold was also leaked by Roland, and it pretty much confirmed that Samsung will give the same camera setup like that on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now Samsung may likely launch two handsets, namely the Note 20 and the Note 20 Plus. We haven't heard anything about a third device, so this setup may be seen on the Galaxy Note 20 Plus. Also, the buttons would be moved to the right side once again after a brief fling with them placed on the left of the Galaxy Note 10 series. Apart from this, we will also see the usual features like wireless charging, IP68 rating, fast charging support, etc. That's it folks, that is everything out in the wild about the Galaxy Note 20. Do let us know if you are waiting for it, or would you rather wait until the Galaxy S21, which may launch with an under-display camera technology. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.